Hey there, freshmen. I just wanted to say you guys are doing an amazing job at adjusting to high school and the expectations that we have set out for you. Keep up the good work. I know that as long as you are trying your best, you're going to continue to grow yourself as a scholar and an academic and set yourself up for success for these next 4 years and post high school. Remember that everything you do during the day counts in high school. Now, with that said, we would like to encourage those who are showing up on time with an incentive. And for those of you who may not have formed those timely habits yet, we are going to incentivize you to get to class on time with the following presentation. So please follow along. So, this right here is your freshman success tardy policy. You will see this posted out on some of your teachers' doors. The teachers who are launching this incentive are the following teachers: Mr. Cruz, Miss Gonzalez, Miss Malone, Miss Taylor, Miss Sani, Mr. Benoit, Mr. Dermott, and Miss Strahan. So those 8 teachers you will see launching this program, and we hope you find success with it and you feel rewarded so we can push it out to the rest of the school. So let's define first what a tardy is. If the bell is done ringing and you are not in your classroom, then you are tardy, period. End of story. If you are not in your classroom by the time the bell rings, you are considered absent if you are more than 10 minutes late to a class, period. So these come to importance in your first period when you're late, and definitely after lunch we have to start creating better habits on getting to class on time because some students have racked up absences due to not coming to class on time. On time, this is the incentive part. For every week you have 0 tardies in the class, 0 tardies. You will receive 1% towards your final 6 weeks grade. So that means you can earn up to 6% towards your grade on your report card each 6 weeks that you have 0 absences in a class. Let's look at how this scenario can play out. So here's one scenario. Scenario number 1 talks about Bobby. Bobby has a 65% in his Algebra 1 class with Miss Malone on the last day of the grading period. Since this incentive started, Miss C sends a report to Miss Malone of all her students' tardy records. Miss Malone goes down the list and looks for Bobby and sees that 2 out of the 6 weeks, Bobby had 0 tardies. Now, how that plays out for Bobby is Miss Malone will add 2% to Bobby's final grade for that grading period. And now Bobby has a 67%. If Bobby was on time every single day, Bobby could have ended with a 6% raise and therefore a 71% on their report card. Remember, you have to aim for a 70 each 6 weeks. Here's scenario number 2. Sally has an 85% in Miss Gonzalez's English class on the last day of the grading period. Miss C sends out a report to Miss Gonzalez of all her students' tardy records. Miss Gonzalez sees that 5 out of the 6 weeks, Sally had 0 tardies. Miss Gonzalez adds 5% to Sally's final grade for that grading period. Sally now has a 90% for that class. Because Sally showed up for class on time, Sally was rewarded and she raised her GPA a significant amount because she got an A instead of a B. A's earn more points than B's do in terms of your GPA. So this plays out for Sally in the long run. I hope that all of you see the benefit in what this incentive can bring you. Okay, showing up on time is an expectation, but we would like to reward you to help you with that expectation. If you have any questions, feel free to ask the teacher who is showing you this video for clarification. And if you see me in the hallway, say hi or ask me any questions that you have. Have a successful second 6 weeks and good luck.